Alright guys, welcome to another fascinating tutorial. This is gonna blow your mind. Actually, not really, but anyways, I thought, I'd kind of build it up a little bit. And in this video, I want to start off talking about strings and variables and how to make multiple line string variables. Sounds pretty fun, huh? So basically, we know that we can have strings as variables, and, you can also set variables equal to strings and use them in methods. So let me go ahead and show you guys an example. Let's make a variable called b, and aside from just writing a number or a value, we can actually set this equal to the string bacon. Now, instead of just, using a string with a method on it, we can actually use that variable, such as this. Puts you are correct, exclamation point, if b reverse double equal sign, what's bacon? No cab. Did you guys know that bacon in reverse was no cab? So basically, unlike before where we just used that string and then put a method on it, we can now use the variable which represents the string, and we can run it inside the program. So we're saying, okay, print out on the screen you are correct if the reverse of bacon equals no cab. Does it? Yes, it does. So there you go, and that's just a simple explanation of how you can use strings as variables, but you guys probably knew that already. What I want to teach you guys in this tutorial is how to make a multiple line string variable. So whenever you want to make a string variable and it's really long, like maybe a paragraph or something that takes up multiple lines, you can use the double less than sign to take up multiple lines. So let me go ahead and show you guys an example. So say we made a variable called tuna. Why? Because I love tuna. But we know that the string variable is going to take up multiple lines. So in order to give it a starting point and an ending point, we need to use the double less than sign to mark the beginning and the end of the string. So go ahead and write a mini marker. I'm just going to name mine Mark. You don't have to. You can name it anything you want. And this word mark is going to mark the beginning and the end of our string. So go ahead and hit enter and check it out. It gives you these little parentheses, and these parentheses pretty much symbolize the beginning. So write hello, my name is Bucky, I love ham and bacon. And then whenever we want to pretty much end our variable, just go ahead and type in mark again. Now, whenever it sees the word mark, it knows, okay, this is my symbol to pretty much end this variable. So now our variable is, hello, my name is Bucky, and I love bacon. And by the way, you're saying, whoa, this looks pretty good, but what the heck are these backslash n things? Well, in computer programming, backslash n means new line. So basically, whenever you see this, it pretty much means, okay, go to a new line. So let me go ahead and just put, wow, spelled that wrong. Puts tuna on the screen and check it out. It says, hello, my name is Bucky, I love ham and bacon, and there you go. So just remember that whenever you want to make a multiple line string variable, you need to give it a starting point and an ending point. And you do this by symbolizing the word that you're going to use for your starting point and ending point with double less than signs. Now after that, just go ahead and write whatever variable you want to use, and then whenever you use it, it marks the end of your string variable. So there you go for this tutorial. Hopefully, well, I'm pretty sure I confused you guys enough for now. So I'll give you a break, and once you decided that you want some more damage, then go ahead and move on to my next tutorial where I'm going to be talking about interpolation using expressions inside strings. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll shut up now, and I'll see you next video.